All right, so thank you for joining this mass meditation. I invite you at this time to please close your eyes and come into the awareness of your body. Start focusing on the breath that's being breathed. Inhale and exhale, letting it all out with no pause between. Inhale again, full breath. And exhale all of it. You're going to take another inhale and just breathe with the body a little bit. Breathe in. Just take away all the distractions that we've had in our day today. Just focus on the breath in this now moment. For this now moment is all that we have and is so crucial to our ascension. And coming to the breath is one of the best things that we can do to come into this now moment. For when we focus on the breath, there are no distractions. There is no past or future, only the now time. So we breathe this body and we are thankful for the breath that allows us to breathe. The breath is amazing, for it has the ability for us to reach higher dimensions. For it is the breath that allows us to understand higher timelines. This is how we connect to those timelines, with the breath. And when we have our breath at a calm, regular pace, with no distractions or worries or doubts, we are clear in our intentions and our manifestations. So when in doubt, when you are anxious or feeling any anxiety or any emotions that you are uncomfortable with, come back to the breath. Realize this now moment is all that we have. For when we are in the now moment, we have the opportunity to create. We have the opportunity to manifest what is true to our timeline and our journey on this incarnation. We will no longer be programmed with information and things that no longer serve us, for those information of programs never served us. That was not our intention. For our intention is to live in love and abundance. For this abundance is our reality now. We are manifesting in this now time the reality we are aligning with. This organic timeline, the rainbow diamond timeline, is our organic timeline. This is the evolution that is ascending, whether we are aware of it or not. This upward spiral of light cannot be stopped. It is up to us. It is our choice to ride this spiral of light. We do that by surrendering, by detaching from all programs, from all lower vibrational frequencies that do not serve this high vibrational electromagnetic body. Our unified consciousness, when we come together, amplifies that light more than we will ever know. Our light is not just simply a candle in a darkness of tunnel, for when we come together, we amplify that candle to the brightest light, where no negativity, no darkness can hide. For our light is penetrating all information that does not serve us to our highest good. This light, when we come together, our unified collective consciousness, we are obliterating all that does not serve us, and we are stepping into our now current timeline as oneness. Our oneness Our collective is calling and waiting for us to remember our true mission. We know and remember our true mission is far beyond this physical, dense incarnation. Our energy light bodies allow us to create and manifest abundance where we are now living. This light allows truth to come through so that we may be as role models to those who are still asleep on this ascension. Their time will come and they will radiate that light as we are now. We are radiating light, for we are source light consciousness. That is our source. Light is information, and this information is full of abundant, intelligent light. We know our mission. We know we are far beyond this dense physical body. We know what we deserve and what we align with, and that is unconditional love. It is true abundance and health. For we are the most healthy individuals as energy. We are healthy and we are aligned with this cleansed physical body. Our chakras are balanced and pure, for they are the energy centers that allow us to feel and have emotions and use those emotions for our better good. Our emotions, our thoughts, our feelings are the compass we have to get back onto our path of rainbow diamond timelines where all is possible, where our manifestations arrive at quantum speeds, for that is where we are now. We are manifesting the healthiest organic food that feeds our body, the soul codes, the blueprints, activated codes that allow us to understand our organic timeline. We are pure. We are divine. Our food that we intake is full of light codes. The sky outside is the bluest pure blue that allows us to feel such enlightening light codes from our grand solar sun. Our grand central sun is what allows this information to come through. So align with that light. Our unconditional love is radiating. And what that means is there is no fear allowed, no lower vibrational anger, hate, no lower vibrational emotions allowed, for that is not who we are. We are divine. We are enlightenment. When we understand our true source mission, the possibilities are endless. Our unconditional love is what we can fall back on in times of doubt. For when we come into situations or scenarios where we are unsure, remember, unconditional love is the answer. That is the only answer that allows us to align with the organic spiral of upward light. When we respond with unconditional love, we are in our true organic self. Our self, me, you, source, consciousness, we are united as one. By coming together with these mass meditations, we amplify our light and we counteract the negative forces that do not allow us to be our true selves. We no longer allow this lower vibrational energy in this mission here. All lower vibrational energy is gone now. And so it is. It is done. All that exists now is high vibrational energy where we are full of love and light and intelligence. We are a community of oneness. And when we come together, our united conscious energy, it is so magnetic. And those who are unsure, do not understand, will understand. It is so magnetic. And this is a blueprinted code within our DNA, waiting to be activated. We are the ones to activate. We have the power within. Focus on your breath. Realign your chakras. Feed yourself with pure, intelligent light codes. Be aware of all that no longer serves us, for those uncomfortable feelings are not what we are. We are knowledge. We are intelligence. We remember our true path of ascension. I am so thankful to be here in this incarnation. I am thankful for you in joining in this united mass meditation of unified consciousness. We are in this rainbow diamond timeline now, and this is all that there is. I thank you. I love you. Namaste. I invite you to come back down into our dense bodies where we may carry out these missions that we know we are capable of. And our light is all that serves us, for it is love, and we are love and light. Do not forget, you are not alone. Thank you. I love you. Until next time, thank you for joining our Awakening Mass Meditation.